Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to discuss which is better. Is it Lmnt or Nuun Sport Hydration? Let's begin. Okay, so both Lmnt and Nuun are both popular electrolyte drink options, but they differ in some key aspects, which is we are going to dive deep today. Alright, so to begin with, okay, so basically, I'm a fan of Nuun because it offers a diverse product lines including options with caffeine, vitamins, and specialized performance enhancement aside from their usual standard electrolyte offerings. And this variety alone allows for more choices based on individual preferences and needs. And they also have the Nuun tablets right here, and it's designed to dissolve in water, offering a convenient and portable way to carry electrolyte support for hydration on the go. But basically, most Nuun products are low in calories and sugar, appealing to individuals seeking electrolyte support without additional caloric intake, right? You can shop with their favorite items like the Nuun Sport powder, and the Nuun Sport, which is a combination of both. It's these are the prices, all right? So these are the claims that they are the best in the market right now. So here's the transparent information about their intakes: 5 electrolytes, 1 gram of sugar, 300 milligram of sodium, and 10 calories. All right. And here are some detailed 5 essential electrolytes that you would get from taking the Nuun products: sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, and chloride. Right? So if you want more information and to get 20% off, go now to Nuun, right? Take the quiz, order and shop, and you'll get the benefits that they offer. All right? Moving along, we have separate Lmnt comparison videos that you might want to check in our channel. But basically, Lmnt focuses on electrolyte replenishment with a formula that includes higher levels of sodium, potassium, and magnesium. It aims to provide these essential minerals without added sugars or fillers, all right? They claim to take the salt and make it yours because one of Lmnt's key features its no sugar formulation, catering to individuals seeking electrolyte support without added sweeteners or calories. All right, and Lmt offers a more restricted selection of flavors compared to some other brands. I have the chocolate chai, raspberry hot chocolate, and apple cider tea. Right? They focus more on the effectiveness of electrolyte replenishment rather than a variety of tastes. So if you want more information about what's inside Lmnt, go to their website. You can see their sodium, magnesium, and potassium, all right? So moving along, here's a side-by-side comparison between Lmnt and Nuun. And if you are a fan of this channel, you probably already watched some of the comparison videos of Lmnt to other brands. But some users might find the limited flavor range less appealing compared to other brands that offer a wider variety of tastes. That's for one. And compared to generic or standard electrolyte products, Lmnt can be pricier due to its specialized formulation and focus on quality ingredients. Now, taste is subjective because some individuals might find the taste or lack of sweetness in Lmnt's products not as appealing as other electrolyte drink options. Now, depending on location, accessibility of Lmnt products might be limited, especially outside certain regions or countries. Now, in terms of Nuun tablets need time to dissolve completely in water. While they are convenient for on-the-go use, some people might find it inconvenient to wait for the tablet to fully dissolve before consuming the drink, all right? Because some Nuun formulations might contain artificial flavors or sweeteners which might not align with the preferences of dietary choices, all right? And the cost of Nuun, like Lmnt, might be a consideration for some individuals because they are a little bit pricier. And ultimately, when choosing between Lmnt and Nuun, consider your specific needs regarding electrolyte balance, taste preferences, dietary restrictions, and any additional features like caffeine or vitamins, and you might desire an electrolyte drink. Both are reputable brands, so the choice often comes down to individual preferences and priorities. As with any dietary supplement, it's essential to consider personal preferences, health considerations, and any dietary restrictions or sensitivities before choosing a product like Nuun. Reading the ingredient labels and understanding individual needs can help make an informed decision about whether Nuun aligns with your hydration and electrolyte replenishment goals. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you again in the next one.